I'm squeezing the juice out of the frozen spinach so that it's nice and dry, right in the box. Finely chop 1 large shallot. Cook the shallots in 2 tablespoons of butter until translucent. Add the spinach, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper to taste, and just warm the spinach through. Add the cream cheese and stir it around until it's all incorporated. Now add the rest of your cheese and stir it around again until everything is nice and melted together. Cool the cheesy mixture down on a sheet pan so that it doesn't cook the dough. Here's our dough, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. So I'm just going to get it out the bowl, and I'm going to try my best to divide this dough into 4 equal parts. This bread just gets better and better. Now we're going to add some texture in. We have a 1/3 cup of toasted pine nuts and then about another 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. In my fridge, I just had some provolone that I didn't want to waste, so I said, why not just throw it in this bread? Any cheese will do, really. I dipped my cup in a little butter so that it wouldn't stick, and then it's going to be time to cut this into 16 equal pieces. Let this rest in a warm place for about another 40 minutes and cover it lightly with plastic. We look to be getting a nice golden color on the top, and I think that I'm ready to move this to my top rack in the oven. This is our finished cheesy spinach tear and share with the pine nuts and the Parmesan cheese. And just before I go into this, a little butter never hurt anybody. So let's break off a nice piece. And you can see all the layers. You can see the spinach and the pine nuts, and of course our drizzled butter on top. Dinner is served. Our lime and thyme lamb with our cheesy spinach tear and share. Thank you for watching Dinner and Sugar, and come back soon for more great recipes just like this. That's amazing.